Hey everyone! In today's video, I've got something really exciting to share with you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get the Kernel Executor working on your iOS device. That's right, Kernel, one of the most popular Roblox executors out there, is now running flawlessly on iPhone, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. As you can see, I've already got it set up and working perfectly on my own device. There's no lag, no glitches, it's running super smooth, and honestly, it works just like you'd expect on a PC. The coolest part? You don't need to jailbreak your phone. No complicated tweaks, no risky installs, nothing that could damage your device. This method is 100% safe and super easy to follow. Now, I also want to mention that if you're watching this on an Android device, don't worry. This method is compatible with Android as well. So no matter what kind of phone or tablet you're using, you'll be able to get Kernel up and running by the end of this video. Alright, let's dive in and get started. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called pluginelite.com. Plugin Elite is a website where you can find many apps with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for Kellner and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation Completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete, but don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.